There's a powerful new AI tool inside Canva that most people don't even know about, and once you know it exists, it might save you a surprising amount of time. In this video, I'm going to show you what this AI tool does, why it's so useful, and how you can start using it in just a few seconds. Let's get started. I'm in Canva, and today I want to demonstrate some tools for you that I think you should try. If you've never used them before, after this lesson you're going to be wondering, why haven't I? So the first thing I'll do is go to social media and click on that. Next, choose YouTube thumbnail. So I'll drag in a static image. Next, I'll go to Edit. Make sure it's highlighted. So I'll go to Edit, and here's Magic Studio. So let's try out all these tools. First, let's go to Magic Layers. This one is brand new and also free. Some of the other tools in here are paid. So click on it, and now it's going to separate this image into individual layers. Okay, it's finished. That took maybe 30 seconds. Check this out. Each of these pieces can now be moved around, resized, change the color, and more. All of that is possible because of this new AI tool. It takes flat images and then breaks them down into their separate layers. So let's go to the next one. We'll go back to Edit. I'll add a page. Now we'll choose this image of a guy running. Next, choose Background Generator. Click on that, and now I'll describe the background I want in this box. Now it's going to take this background and it'll change it to a cityscape with the graffiti on the walls. Canva will give us 4 images to choose from. If you don't like any of these, you can always generate again, but that's how you use Background Generator. Next is Background Remover. I'm going to duplicate this first. Now we'll take this, click on it, go back here to Edit, and choose Background Remover. This is one tool I use all the time, and look at that, it is so fast and does a great job. So that's Background Remover. So the next one is Magic Eraser. I'll add a new image. I'm looking for a soccer player. Okay, and I'll make it fill the page. Now go to Edit and choose Magic Eraser. Click there. You have choices. You can choose brush, click, foreground, or text. Do you see how it highlights things in the image? Then you can just automatically delete them if you want to. Just click on them and there you go. Now they're gone. And that is Magic Eraser. I'll add a new page, then come another image, and then I'll enlarge it. Now that it's highlighted, I'll go to Edit. Now I want to try Magic Grab. I love this one too. So click on Magic Grab. You can easily choose whatever you want to move. Let's say, for example, I want to click on this kid here. I'll change it up a little bit, I'll grab it, and now I can move him any way I want to. So that's Magic Grab. It is very, very powerful, and I use it all the time. Okay, now I'm going to do something a little different. So I'll search for sign with some words on it. And I guess I'll try this one. So click on that. The main thing I want to show you is how it affects text. So I've clicked on the image. Now go up to Edit and go over here to Grab Text. Click on that. You can choose all text or you can choose individual sections. So for now, I'm just going to click on this and I'll grab it. Now you see that it's changed the font too. After using this, you can now change the font or change the size. You can even change the text altogether. And now you can see if you have something with text and you need to change it, now you can using Grab Text. So I'll add another page here, then I'll go to Uploads and choose one of these images. I think I'll choose this girl. This is something I created in Canva AI. So while she's highlighted, let's go back to Edit and come over here and let's use this new tool that's only a few weeks old called Image to Video. So I'll click on that. You've got 2 choices. You can let it animate it for you, or you can tell it what you want it to do. Let's try it. So click on that and it'll turn that image into a 3-second video. Let's add it to the design. Now I'm going to click on that. It'll add it to the page right here. So here's the start image, and now we've created this. Okay, it's only 3 seconds, but depending on what you're making, that could be all you need for social media, etc. So that's really cool. Now let's try something else. I'll add another page, and I'm going to try Magic Edit. So put an image there, then go up to Edit, come over to Magic Edit and click on that. Next, you can choose Brush or Click. I'll use Brush and just brush over it like that. It doesn't have to be perfect. All right, so I'm gonna change the ball. Let's just type basketball and see what happens. And now Canva will make me 4 different ones. There you go. I'll choose that one and done. So now we've gone from this ball to that ball in just a couple of steps. All right, so I've got one more to demo. Let's go to Elements and search for Park Bench. I'll choose this one. Notice it's not filling the whole page, but I want it to, right? So how about we try another AI tool? I'll put it right there in the middle and go back to Edit and come all the way over here to Magic Expand. Click on that. Now you've got choices. I'm gonna do the whole page. So now it's gonna fill this whole page based on this image here. So let's expand it. And now all this blank space will be filled in. Okay, there you go. And now you see you have 4 different ones to choose from. Each one's a little bit different, so I think I'll choose that one. Then click Done. And there you go. And now you've seen all the current AI tools in Canva's Magic Studio. Magic Layers, Background Remover, Background Generator, Magic Eraser, Magic Grab, Grab Text, Image to Video, Magic Edit, and Magic Expand. So come in here and try these out on your own. And I think you'll be really excited to see what you can do with the AI tools here inside Canva's Magic Studio.
And if you love finding out about crazy cool AI tricks before everyone else, subscribe now so you're the first to know when new AI tools drop. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching.